When you first start Excel, you are given a file called Book 1, and this appears at the top of your screen in the area known as the title bar. If you wish to open up a new file on top of Book 1, there are several ways to do this. I think the easiest way is to hit the New button that now appears in your Quick Access toolbar. When I click New, my title bar shows me I'm now in Book 2, and I have two files open. An alternative way is to press the shortcut key Ctrl-N. Hold the Control key and tap the N key. And now I have a third new book, and that shows up in my title bar. I think the easiest way to close a book is to hit the X in the top right corner. So I'm going to hit the big red X and close Book 3. I'm now going to hit it again and close Book 2. Because there was no data in those files, you are not asked any questions, but if there was data in either of those books, Excel would ask you if you'd like to save. In Book 1, I'd like you to ensure that you're in Sheet 1, so I'm going to click on Sheet 1 at the bottom of my screen. I'm also going to click in the cell A1 to make sure I'm sitting in the correct cell. If you could have anything for dinner tonight and you didn't have to plan it, cook it, or do anything really, what is your favourite meal or your favourite dish? Type that in A1. Then press the down arrow to go down to A2, and that tells Excel you've completed typing what you needed in A1. If you could have anything to drink tonight to go with that favourite dish, what's your favourite drink? Type that in A2. And then press the down arrow. And thirdly, if you could be anywhere right now, just snap your fingers and you're there, where's your most favourite place to be? Type that in A3. And press the down arrow. We've now entered some data into this file and I'd like to save this file. One of the ways to save is to hit the very first button on your Quick Access toolbar called Save. When I click this button, Excel asks me what would I like to save the file as, and this is indicated at the top of this window. Really what Microsoft should have done is put a question mark after Save As, because this is the computer's way of saying, what do you want to save the file as? On the left hand side somewhere on your screen, you will see the option Desktop. I'm going to ask you to click Desktop. I'd then like to save the file with the file name Favourites. So I'm going to delete or backspace Book 1 out of the file name field and type Favourites. Finally, I'm ready to save, so I click the Save button. And the name Favourites appears at the top of my screen in the title bar. This is now the name of the file.